Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 79 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, we're doing the sun visors. There's not much to do with these, really, but there's some. The sun visors, obviously, there. They've got to put the backing piece in place. It pops together, a bit like that. Nice and easy. Then we need to fix the mirrors onto there. These are two mirrored stickers. Peel those off. Then carefully get that lined up. A little recess for it to sit into, so I would say you can't get it wrong, but I already have. I've got that at a slight angle, haven't I? I'll play around with that and get that better. And this one will do the same on the other side, but better. Do the long side maybe. That might be easier. Might not. Difficult. The reflections and everything are not being my friend. There we go. That's that one. I'll get that tidied up. I'll have to unpeel that very carefully. Probably a pair of tweezers will be my best bet with that. Let's grab a pair of those. Be able to just get under there where I didn't stick that down fully. There we go. Yeah. No. Yes and no. Yep and no. Try that one more time, shall we? Lined up in the little groove in the right direction. There we go. I think I should have come a little bit further that way. Why is this side just going to give me endless trouble? Try that one more time, shall we? Get that right up against that edge. Like that. That's better. That will do. Oh, no, it's still not all right. I'm going to cut the camera and do this off camera to get that in the right place there, because that's just going to annoy me. Then we need to attach these and these to the ends there. So we'll come back and get those on. Right, there we go. I got there eventually. It did take another 2 or 3 tries to get it right for some reason. Don't know why that side was proving to be a problem, but there we go. So these are attaching then to there. We've got that. And then this very type piece. And we're going to be using a couple of these plastic screws to hold that in place, because it's going into plastic. The metal screws I shall be using next time to attach this to the car itself. Let's get that on there. Oh, not like that though. I can see this is going to be a fun build. Let's try again. Let's try getting closer in and seeing exactly what I'm doing with this. There, it is there. It's just not there. Again. It does fit over there. Good fit. And then you just need to get the screw in. Hard can it really be? Don't answer that. Come on, you know I'm just really having a bit of a mare with that one. Right, let's give that up for a bad job and try the other side, just in case it's me. In case it's not me, in case it's the part that's being a problem. Let's try again. Get that one on there like that. We'll go with the other screw. In the end, just tightening down. That mirror is very annoying. It's occasionally catching the light reflection, just being a bit of a pain. I'm having trouble with that one as well. Right, let me cut off the camera. I'll get these both on there and then we'll see about attaching it to the car, because that bit's got to be easy, hasn't it? Right, there we go. That's all done. The mirror's on there. Those attached. They were a right pain. Really problem. But they got on there okay now. So that's that. Now comes the easy bit, I hope. We're going to have to fit that to the car itself. So we need to bring in the main event, the main body. And this goes on there, obviously, with those fitting backwards. Okay, got a screw hole there and a screw hole there. And we've got 2 screws, one to go in each. See how that's going to work. Sure, it's going to be very easy. We'll get that through there, like so. And then that will go through there.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Like so. Nope. Try not to slip. That's not too bad there. Then we'll get this side attached on there as well. Should be easy. Not going to be easy, is it? So we've got the windscreen there as well, so I can't come at it from the other side. Yeah, this is going to take a little bit of manipulating and moving things around so I can get where I need to get. And unfortunately, the camera is going to be in the way as well. So that's not that. Is that? There we go. That's that. I need to tighten them both up, but apart from that, we are then going to be good to go. So that will be there, all attached and in place. So that's that. Another issue done. Next time, we're not going to be playing with the body at all. We're starting on a door. So I'll get to put this away again and do something a little bit easier, hopefully. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.